How to update Emoji keyboard on Android. In order to update the keyboard, open the Play Store. Tap on the search icon. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Type in your keyboard name. In most of the Android phone, you're using the Gboard. So search for it. You can see the option over here. Tap on it. Right over here, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and it will be updated. But most of the times, update option will not be available over here. In that case, what you have to do is update the software. Open the settings on your device. Scroll down, find the option for system and tap on it. Tap on the option software update that you can see on the screen. If the update is available, you can see over here. Tap on the option update, follow through the prompts and the software will be updated. Once the system is updated, your keyboard will also be automatically updated. Like this, you can update Emoji keyboard on Android. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.